Got the old AC out right here, so got to lower that down. And got this edge here cleaned up. Got lap sealant down here. And fixing to put down a little bit more. I'm not sure I like that yet. And I got to do around here. All these mounts. Get that sealed off. Josh ought to be here soon. So we'll get all this finished up. Oh, look at the mess all over my brand new awning. Get all this done, I'm gonna get up here with the water hose and scrub this thing off. Get it all cleaned up. Need to clean those solar cells too. Getting a little dirty. pointing the wrong direction.
I know. Got a messy ass floor. I'm gonna have to clean up, but I don't care.
Well, be glad your carpet ain't in there.
Yeah, that's the point. And it's going in.
World's longest bolts.
Them are some long-winded bolts.
Brought one down and died for the drill.
Yeah. Me too. That's pretty cool that it shows the deal right there. Oh, yeah, it is.
Celsius.
Change up the switch back to Fahrenheit.
Okay, there's a button there, okay. There's a new doohickey that works. Got a bottle adapter for the cook stove. Hooks up to the bigger bottles. Right, Pickles? Yeah, you tell them. That's how we cook. Somebody keeps dragging this around, Pickles. You'll get your butt in trouble. I think that's loose. Yeah, I think this awning material is new and quite a bit heavier than the old one was. You know that? Pickles over there thinking he's gonna catch that squirrel. Well, good morning, y'all. Been about a week since I uploaded anything, I guess. Well, anything new anyhow. We got cheated out of our thunderstorms last night. They went around us. So, put the awning back out this morning. Got everything ready. Watching Pickles over here. Trying to get into trouble. Yeah, we got everything ready for this thing to roll out of here today. Well, just about. We'll be pulling out of here probably Wednesday or Thursday. Got enough fuel in the tanks to get us to town, so that's not a big deal. The new air conditioner works fantastic. I love that thing. And hate it at the same time. Shay just got to keep it set on 60 degrees. That poor condenser don't ever get a chance to shut off in the mornings. Running that electric bill sky high. But it is Texas. It is over 100 degrees. So I guess I can't complain too bad. At least it's working good. And a lot better than the old one. And we got us another box from HelloFresh yesterday. I forgot to take a picture of it, but that's alright. It's just a box. Got food in it. And I was hoping to show y'all a new stove cover from Donnie, but he couldn't make it out yesterday. And I'll get that posted up here as soon as it shows up. And we'll get it all figured out. But he's a busy man. He's got a lot on his plate, so I don't really hold much about that. We get it when we get it. You know, same thing with him making a new table for us. We get it when we get it. So that just is what it is. Anyhow, that's all I got for this week. You know, so click that like button. Hit subscribe if you ain't already. That'll help out in the long run. And you can ring that little bell thing down there too if you want to get notifications anytime I post a new one. I'm gonna try and keep these down to just once a week until we get out on the road, and then we'll probably do 2-3 a week. Maybe, I don't know. We'll just have to see. Pretty sure you don't want to stare at the road just all the time. But we'll be up at the state park this weekend. You know, spend a week up there, and Probably spend a little time with the kids in town. I don't know yet before we come back down here. I did talk to the landlord, and we got us a year lease set up as soon as he brings paperwork for me to sign. Because I do like it down here. Shay likes it down here, and Pickles absolutely loves it. Because he can run around and be a dummy all he wants. Look at him. He's out there having a blast. Yeah. Well, that's all good. Retired life. Man, it's hard. Too much work. We'll talk to you later. Bye.